South Korea is in turmoil after President Yoon Yeol declared martial law in a surprise late-night address. This unprecedented move has plunged the nation into political uncertainty. President Yoon justified the declaration as necessary to protect South Korea from communist forces in North Korea. He accused the opposition Democratic Party of paralyzing the government through impeachment attempts and budget rejections. Lawmakers swiftly voted to block the martial law decree, but its impact remains unclear. John Nielsen Wright, a geopolitics scholar, called the decision frankly bizarre, noting the lack of typical martial law measures like military deployment. The declaration sent shockwaves through financial markets. South Korean stocks plummeted, with the iShares MSCI South Korea ETF dropping 6% and Samsung shares falling 7%. The South Korean won hit its lowest level since 2009. South Korea's political instability reverberates globally, especially in Washington. As a key U.S. ally, South Korea's situation is closely monitored by the Biden administration, which remains in contact with the South Korean government. Citizens are rushing to be with family, grappling with the unprecedented situation. Kenneth Choi, a South Korean journalist, described the public as flabbergasted by the president's unexpected move.